I think we're not
Absolutely.
unified. I think if we were more, that's
Right.
why they fight to keep us divided, to keep drugs in our community, to keep us at a low level, because they know that if we unified, how powerful we would be. So that's why
That's
they
right.
create distractions, and we are, as a whole, we are constantly falling for these tricks, these deceitful tricks. We haven't even become aware that we are conscious of this type of behavior that they have been exhibiting for hundreds of years. They just using the same tricks, just in different ways. I think we need
Right.
to break free of that. Once we break free of that,
But
and we begin, not only, we have to love ourselves. This is the thing with most black
and
people, with
that's
a
the
lot of,
curse, Cairo. So
yeah.
that's why we trying to reverse the curse. When you was talking about the universal curse earlier, which to me should be the focus. So, so I had the quote right. I pulled it up real quick. Power concedes nothing without a demand, emphasizing that those in authority will not voluntarily relinquish control or grant rights. Change requires active struggle and assertion of demands. So I had the quote right.
But now I got to go back to what Jamie said long time ago, right? In a segment that was so long ago, but it was factual. How do you try to get through to these YNs, and they out here in the street? They need money to be able to provide for their family. You know, they're not trying to hear shit you say, because they need, money in order to survive. That's the challenge that's keep preventing us from being able to get ahead. Because yeah, we trying to spit this knowledge to these YNs and to our people that, we need to unify, we need to love each other. But they can't think like that, because motherfuckers out here hungry. They need money, they need opportunity, they need to survive. So how do you break through with somebody like that without having some type of resources for them? And I think that as a
That's the answer. The answer is the resources. I don't
re-
blame the YNs for not the white. Why would we listen to some niggas who brought us into a world and didn't build shit for us? So I'm speaking like I'm a YN right now. Why would I listen to an old head like Taj Hollywood who just want to quote unquote share his wisdom? This nigga ain't got shit for. He ain't got a job for me. He ain't got no way for me to get no money. He just want me to sit here and listen to him talk for 20 minutes.
right,
Nigga, get the fuck
right,
out my face. I'm
right,
on the YN side when it comes to that.
right.
We brought these young niggas in this world and didn't have. I'm telling y'all what changed me one day. I was with some OGs out here, and a young nigga said this and it fucked me up. I said this on the platform
Y'all
before.
talk about
He
all
said,
this
y'all
shit
niggas.
y'all got, but y'all ain't leave shit for us.
Thank you. Cause so you be listening, Cairo. Thank you.
Man, come on now.
You niggas want us to sit here and hear about all these OG stories from the 90s. Show us
But y'all
all
ain't
these
leave shit
pictures of
for
your
us.
fancy cars and wasn't thinking about us. Them YNs are spot on.
Right.
If all the OG is trying to do is talk you to death, and that nigga ain't showing you how to get some money or break some bread. Hey, check it out, little homie. You interested in this, that, and the third? Hey, I got this hookup for you. You know what I mean? It's legit shit too. I ain't trying to send you. If an OG ain't coming at a YN like that, I'm asking you, Cairo or Jamie, why would they listen?
But then the reason
Give a
why
fuck
I
about
think
how
the
smart
Black
Taj
Panther
Hollywood is.
Party, if you notice, like the Black Panther Party and the Nation of Islam and Marcus Garvey and all of our retrograde abolitionists were very successful, because they provided resources for the people.
Right.
So people
The
gonna listen when you got some
nation,
resources.
the
Food and
nation,
shelter is the main one.
you know what was more important in the nation more than religion? They had a message that said, do for self. So it didn't mean be selfish. The message was exactly what you said, Cairo. Don't depend on them for shit. Whatever you want, if anything, go get a job to invest in your business. If you need to get a job. If you got enough hustling, don't even go get a job. Just handle your business and do for self. Don't depend on them for shit. And they have some motherfuckers might not like him. That man built one of the largest empires in Black American history. Facts. You don't have to like him. That part is a fact. And I might fact check it to make sure I'm spot on. But in his from 1930 to 1975, he built an $80 million empire. On the mindset of exactly what you said, Cairo, we gonna do for self. We're not asking them crackers for shit.
But I
We
gotta
not.
tell you one more thing.
We'll do business with them.
You know what
Hey,
else
we
they
got
need?
fish. We got fish for sale. Them motherfuckers was importing fish from a foreign country and selling the fish to McDonald's. Nigga, every time you bit into a fish sandwich, That was the fish our brothers and sisters in the nation was importing from a foreign country and got a contract to sell the shit to McDonald's. Do
You know
for
what else we
self.
need, Taj? We need our own hospitals and our own doctors. I'm going to tell you why. They are even strategizing against us and trying to eradicate us even in them hospital facilities. I'm telling you, you can't
I
trust
believe
them.
you. You ain't
This,
good.
let me
I
tell you
believe
what
you.
this white lady told me. This, and she thought that I was naive, right? Thank God I'm conscious. I go to the hospital because I had fibroids, and this when I say, oh no, now you really got to go raw vegan, because what they don't tell us, they mess us up with these birth control and all of this other shit. That shit start to create um uh fibroids and cancer on our uterus, right? And they know this, but they're not going to tell you this because they intentionally want to destroy the womb,
On
right? The
purpose.
women
Yeah.
on purpose. So I go to the hospital. This is a true story. And this old white doctor. Now, you know one thing about us, we black. So we age fucking well. You know what I mean? I could be 40 and looking 20. And once they hit 40, 30, they looking 100. So anyway, I already felt her energy. So I go in there and I'm already skeptical about them because they'll try to take your uterus. Long story short, she fucked up because she didn't ask me my sexual history of my partner or how long would I've been with my partner. But I'm gonna tell you how devious they are in the hospitals too. You know this bitch, and I'm listening to her, right? I'm like, I'm gonna hear her out, but I already know where she going. That's why I'm telling you, they dangerous in them hospitals too. And if you unconscious black person, they will get you. This lady told me when they did my pap smear, white lady, right? White doctor, that I had a sexual transmitted disease, dude. Me, Taj, out of all people. Been with the same person over 10 fucking years. You know what I mean? She trying to convince me of this, right? And I'm like, I know where she going. She gonna talk about a vaccine. Now check this out. I'm listening to her. So she was like, we have a vaccine. And then after she finished, I say, no, thank you. I won't be taking the vaccine. She got angry. She started to attack me, right? And then she said, well, it's a sexually transmitted disease that go overweight anytime, so you don't need it. But that was the whole lie. So like, I was an exception. Now, you know how many black women that they done
Fell
got
for
with that?
that. Yeah, they
Done
fell
fell for
for it.
that shit?
Yeah.
And went home
Yeah.
going off on their partner because they
Mm-hmm.
thinking that their partner done. This is why I'm telling you, they are attacking us in them hospital facilities too.
Is that not the behavior of a devil?
You got to be careful.
So you know you dealing with a devil. So the devil, Satan to come at you, Satan, I mean, when all this shit is said and done, that nigga might deserve the Oscar, yo. Like once we get to the afterlife, heaven, or wherever we going, that nigga he might deserve the Oscar. So Satan to come at you with 90% facts and truth. But it's just that he need to get you on that 10%, right? So when you expose the 10%, the devil. So what you said the lady did when you said, "Nah, I won't be taking it." She
She got
turned into the
angry.
devil.
She said, wait a minute. That bitch got mad.
That's the devil.
And then I called up there and
That's the
reported
point
her,
I'm
right?
making here. So she
So
was like an angel all the way up until that point, right?
yeah, when
And
she
then you
knew that bitch, you
expose
ain't
the
convinced
devil,
me.
huh?
Yeah, she got angry, but when I called up there to tell them, you know what they told me? And I know that a lot of these motherfuckers, alumni, they fraternity brothers, these lawyers and these doctors, they really, it's hard to fight the government. So I called up there and I explained to them, I said, you know what, I feel uncomfortable, but I have to, talk to somebody about this. Your nurse just told me I've been with the same person over 10 years. Neither one of us, we're in a monogamous relationship. And she had the audacity to tell me that I had a sexual transmitted disease. And when I explained to her that I wouldn't take a vaccine, she became aggressive.
Aggressive. That's the
Very
devil. That part.
aggressive.
That part. Go ahead.
And then they had the audacity to tell me, oh, she accidentally
Yeah, ain't no
read your
motherfucking
chart
accident.
wrong.
Ain't no motherfucking accident. I hear you though. Yeah, that's the
And that's
devil,
when I
homie.
said, oh
That's all that
yeah.
was.
I said, oh
Bro,
no.
it's become one of my favorite things to do, and the devil appears in all kinds of people. So we're not gonna make that a white thing.
This is crazy.
Niggas do it
bro.
too, though. The cool thing about white people, you actually see them turn red. When they turn into the devil, you know you're looking at the devil because them motherfuckers turn red. Black people do the shit too. You just can't see us turn red.